I guess we all hoped that the virus wouldn't mutate or even get here. You know, it's spring, we're meant to be out fishing, you know, we're meant to be out doing stuff, but sunny, we're about to get dashed on these rocks. You know, at our church, we have very strong leadership, and I was expressing some anger and frustration that some of the test samples had gotten spoiled or something, mishandled. And a lady friend who's also a leader in our small group at church, she admonished me and she said, look, one of our members works there, and our healthcare professionals are having to do something that they've never had to do before. And I tell you what, man, I love a good rebuke. It's a joy, really. Well, I mean, that got me thinking, right? I mean, what is it like there in some of these hospitals? What is it like in some of these laboratories, especially where they're desperately trying to develop vaccines to at least help prevent the disease for those who don't have it? They're working with limited data, and they're trying to figure out how this virus that doesn't act like these other viruses work. I mean, what are their lives like and what are they going through? We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, the pursuit of happiness. You can't be happy unless you have freedom, and you can't have freedom unless you have life. If you're dead, there is no freedom. If you're dead, there is no happiness. We have to buy time. The scientists need time to make vaccines, to make better testing equipment. We're not fighting in a jungle. We're not fighting in a desert. We're fighting on our own soil. And the enemy is not some warlord or some gang or some faction, some fascist government or something killing people. It's a virus. It's a virus. some things you don't do for yourself, you do it for other people. We gotta keep the hospitals open. We gotta keep the hospital beds. We gotta preserve enough hospital beds for those who really need it. And those of us who are doing well, life comes first. Life is what's first on the list. The sad part is in America, they put their pursuit of happiness above liberty and above life itself. That's a very selfish way to live. It says life, liberty, pursuit of happiness. Trolling speed's too fast, and we got a lot of wind and current, but that's par for the course. We got to get the boat slowed down. I think we're going to have to go to a system of buckets or trolling sacks or something to slow the boat down. And I'm just drifting. See that it's wanting to definitely want to pull. I'm trying to know what you can see or not. I'm doing this for the first time I've ever used a planer board